To start, we will discuss the constitutional provisions that shape the educational landscape in the Philippines. Understanding these provisions is crucial as they ensure that education is accessible, equitable, and of high quality for all citizens. Article 1. National Territory. The Philippine Constitution clearly establishes the geographical scope where educational policies apply. For example, educational policies in Luzon may not be applicable in Mindanao. This means that all educational frameworks and regulations are designed to operate within the country's defined boundaries. Article 3, Bill of Rights, Impact on Education. Section 1, Equal Protection Clause. This ensures that every individual has equal access to education regardless of their background. Section 5, Religious Freedom. This provision affects how religious instruction is integrated into schools, allowing parents to choose the type of education their children receive. Section 7, Right to Information, supports academic freedom, allowing students and educators to seek and disseminate information freely. Section 8, Right to form associations. It protects the rights of students and teachers to organize and advocate for their interests. Article 5, Suffrage. This article states that all citizens over 18 have the right to vote without literacy or property requirements. These provisions emphasizes the importance of education in enabling citizens to make informed decisions during elections. Article 6, Legislative Department. It establishes the structure of Congress, which plays a vital role in shaping educational policies through legislation. Understanding these structures help us appreciate how laws impacting education are created and passed. Article 7, Executive Power in Education. The President appoints the Secretary of Education who oversees the implementation of educational policies and manage the budget for educational institutions. This highlights the executive branch's role in ensuring quality education. Article 8, Judicial Protection of Educational Rights. The courts play a crucial role in protecting educational rights and ensuring that policies are not discriminatory. They also resolve disputes related to education, which is essential for maintaining a fair system. Article 14, Section 1, Fundamental Right to Education. The state is obligated to provide quality education and ensure universal access. covering all levels of education. This means that every citizen should have the opportunity to receive an education regardless of their circumstances. Section 2. State obligations in education. This section mandates free public elementary and high school education and supports alternative learning systems, which cater to various learning needs. Academic freedom and institutional autonomy. Educational institutions are granted the freedom to develop their curriculum and conduct research. This autonomy fosters creativity and innovation in education. Language of instructions. Um, the Constitution designates Filipino as the national language, with English as the official language, and regional languages are auxiliary media. This language policy supports diverse learning environments. Teachers' rights and welfare. Teachers are entitled to professional advancement, fair compensation, and job satisfaction measures, all of which contribute to a positive educational environment. Family roles in education. Parents have rights in their children's education and are encouraged to participate in planning and decision-making processes. This involvement is key to a child's successes in school. Educational budget priority. Education receives the highest budgetary allocation, ensuring that resources are available for infrastructure development and educational materials. Quality assurance in education. Um, the government is responsible for maintaining standards and regulating educational institutions to ensure high quality education for all. So, to in summary, the constitutional provisions regarding education in the Philippines are designed to promote equal access, protect rights, and ensure quality education for all. And thank